Hello, so today we're going to teach you how to remove Reels from your Facebook account. So first up, let's head over and click our Facebook app. Then let's head over here to the videos. Then let's click the Reels. So it's very easy, just click the settings here, then hide Reel, and it will be automatically removed from your feed. Then we can remove this one as well. Just do it again, click the settings and then hide Reel. Once we remove those videos, it will show less to our feed or timeline and even the suggested reels. So just click hide reel for the videos that you do not want to see often to your account. So that's it for removing reels from your Facebook account. So thanks for watching.